Hey guys, it's Mike Tutorial here. I'm back with another video. Guys, today I'll be showing you how to sign up your Instagram account. Please like, subscribe, comment, or share. Guys, let's get straight into the video. The first thing you need to do is to download Instagram. You could download Instagram from the Google Play Store or using a website. Okay guys, I'm gonna link the website down in the description, and I'm gonna link Google Play Store down in the description. Guys, let's get straight into the video now. Guys, when you're done already install Instagram, you're gonna come to this. When it comes to show you this, you're gonna press sign up with email address or phone number. That's the same blue thing at the bottom. I will highlight it for you at the bottom there. You're gonna press sign up with email address or phone number. After you go there, you're gonna ask you if you want to sign up with your phone number, but I'm not signing up with my phone number. I'm using email address. So you press email address. Now you need to add your email address. I'm gonna add my email address in here. I'm adding in. Good, guys, I just done add my email address there. You need to add your email address there. After you done add your email address there, guys, you need to press next. Alright. After you press next, they're gonna send a code straight to your email address. Straight to your Gmail address. I'm gonna send a code. To me, guys, you need to come out and go straight into your email. After you go straight into email, you want to swipe down and wait. Bob, there's a code, guys. 942517. 942517. Okay, we're gonna add it in. Gonna give it a spot check for make sure, guys. You need to put in the code right. If you put in the code wrong, guys, it may not work. That means you need to double check and make sure you do the right thing. Okay, guys. Okay, then you need to press next. After you done putting in the code, it's gonna bring you to this here, guys. This here, you need to put your name, what you want to use on Instagram. For me, I'm gonna put Michael Ajibi. Then you need to create a very, very strong password, guys. A very strong password. While creating this password, you need to use letters, numbers, and symbols like this. Guys, after doing that, guys, you need to press continue without sending contacts. This one at the bottom, you press that. Guys, it's gonna bring you to your date of birth. You need to put in your date of birth, guys. Alright, that means you're gonna put in your date of birth. Guys, I put in my date of birth. You're gonna press next. Okay, guys, then it's gonna bring you to this page. You're gonna ask you can always change your username later. Do you mean you want to change your username or you want to continue it? But now I'm not changing my username now. Do you mean I'm gonna continue with it? You're gonna press sign up. You're gonna wait a little while, register in. Wait. Pop, there you have it. It's gonna ask you if you want to find Facebook friends to follow. You choose who to follow, and we'll never pass to Facebook without your permission. Like, it means like you could hook your Facebook up with your Instagram, but I'm not doing that. You're gonna press skip. You're gonna say follow friends. Instagram is more fun when you follow your friends and see their posts. Are you sure that you want to skip this step? You could skip it. You could go back and follow friends anytime. You could press skip. Gonna ask you to add a photo. You could press add a photo, but I'm not adding a photo now. Press skip. It's gonna show you people who you could follow. You could scroll up and find people who you want to follow. or like the rock, you could follow the rock. Well, then you press the arrow up top there and you go. You wait a sec, and there you have it. That's the Instagram account set up. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share. Thank you so much.